What's going on, everybody? So, your boy is not having a good day right now. Um, Mama's in the emergency room, so y'all do me a favor, keep her in your prayers. And, me and Daddy was going to rebuild this, recliner, because that side right there is about hold on. This side right here is about mounting Mama sideways. So, me and Daddy was going to rebuild it, but Daddy had to take Mama to the emergency room, so I'm rebuilding it myself. I was going to use this heart drill. By the way, heart drill works like a champ. Would recommend one. If you're gonna use it like on a big construction site, like you're building a house, or heck, if you're building one of them dressers right there, I'd recommend one. But not for a job like I'm doing here, because drill's too big. So, and I know somebody is going to be in the comments talking about, well, if you knew the drill was too big, then why'd you use it the first time? I didn't think nothing of it. I've never even put together a recliner. I've never built one, let alone put one back together. So now we're going to take this drill top off, and we're going to put it on this little drill right here made by Hypertough. It's also a very good drill if you're using it for like what I'm doing. There we go. So y'all get a little perspective here. We can sit y'all right there. Okay. Where? Okay. Well, I struggled for about half a century with the heart drill, so hopefully this will make it easier. Oh, it probably will, knowing me. I try something that is extremely hard the first time. I try it another way, and well, heck, then it makes it a lot easier. That's just a part of learning. Oh. Literally got something in my eye. Okay. Ugh. 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 Holy smokes, man. Ah, come on. Well, Oh. I'm probably doing it the wrong way. Yep, I was. Oh. Alright. Let's get this done. It sounds like a helicopter for some reason. There we go. Oh, that makes it a lot easier. There we go. Okay. Okay. Oh, got the first screw on. First of all, I need to take a breather because when I was trying to get the first one in a while ago, I was struggling. But ever since I switched to this little drill for this job, makes it a whole lot easier. Oh, oh, where'd it go? Oh, where'd it go? Oh, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? I'm gonna have to get another one, and then put that on there too. Check the time to be sure it's nowhere to be seen. So. Where'd it go? There it is. There it is. Well, somebody's calling. I don't think it'll be anything that's needed. Let's get this thing level. Well, I tell you what, I have been dropping screws all day. Ugh. Okay. Alright, we're making progress now. Whoa. Ooh, that guy's hot. That was a bad spot to put. Ooh, that thing's hot. Oh. Where'd that screw go? Oh, there's both of them. Ugh. Feel like that's probably going to last, but I'll probably end up putting another one somewhere right here. Oh, forgot. I had another screw with me. First of all, I gotta rest my arm a minute. Oh. Okay. Whew. I'll tell y'all, especially when it's your first time doing this stuff, especially when it's your first time rebuilding a recliner, it ain't easy. Ah, come on. Where's it at? Where's it at? Ah! Okay. That was so uncomfortable for such the longest time. Oh. Okay. Let me show y'all what I did after I catch my breath. Man, y'all don't know. That first half, I struggled. But hey, learning curves are a part of learning. So, I took these right here, Fastenite interior construction screws.